Hi, Sam from Enable here, and we recently released a video outlining the biggest changes in SugarCRM version 13. Well, we know that some of you want to see a little bit deeper into what the new update can do. So our SugarCRM expert Joe has created a little video for you guys to give you more of an idea as to the power behind the new update. Take it away, Joe.
Hello, my name is Joe Bushnell. I'm from enable.services. We're a SugarCRM UK partner and we assist customers with configuration, integration and consultancy on their SugarCRM platforms. What we're going to be talking about today is Sugar 13. The new release of SugarCRM platform. Sugar 13 just is a complete refresh. It's probably one of the major upgrades to SugarCRM for a number of years. So, SugarCRM, first of all, you'll see the home page. You'll see a couple of changes. The top bar at the top, this one here, what normally sits at the top, obviously has been removed. That normally used to show your modules. The one at the bottom being removed. It enables more space to be shown on the any actual screen or view that you're having SugarCRM. You'll see that we have this blue bar on the left-hand side over here, and the blue bar does show our modules. At the moment I've got it in the minimized view where I can see icons, my favorite icons of my modules that I want to see. These favorite views can also, you can have as many as you like as favorites, and it's per user can set them up. If I want to see my full list of modules, I just click on that and it expands the actual module view list out. What I can also do is I can change the color sequence against both a module. So if I wanted to, instead of saying accounts, I may want to say organizations, I can also change not only the terminology but the color coding against that organization, that module, and even the icons. So in case I didn't want, instead of an opportunities, instead of a chart, I may want a pound sign or a dollar sign, and I may want to change it to sales. So it really gives you the opportunity to take ownership in the solution. On the top left up here, you'll see our logo. So you can change it to your logo, and I'll see change it to your, so it feels like your CRM. It should be your CRM. It shouldn't be anyone else's. So change it to be how you want to see it. Top left and right in the top up top, we've got the global search bar. Global search enables us to obviously put in any piece of data, and it's going to bring back the results that we're going to see. This is where the color coding comes in. You can see that because it's a count, it's green, and it's a kind of a building kind of look. As it's a person record, it's also people, employees, etc. Okay. First thing you'll see inside Sugar 13 is our dashlets are a little bit different. So yes, we can have charts, we can have, well, we can have anything in our dashlets. They are all drag and drop as always inside SugarCRM, and we can click through to and understand what that piece of the pie means inside SugarCRM. So it's very easy to not only get overviews but drill into the data in Sugar. Well, the new parts of Sugar though, the actual views. So we now can go not only in a chart view and drill through, we can actually take it into a data view. So we can actually see the actual information behind it in our home pages. Obviously, this is really important to me. I'm going to drag it all the way across and just view it this way. If I don't, I'm going to move it back to where it was. What I can also do is filter directly from the home page. So if I've got a report showing it in my home page, what I can do is, and this one is obviously expected close date this year. If I want to change it, last 30 days, last quarter, etc., next year, or wherever it is, you can see I can change it. So my filters I can change actually in the home page. What I can also do, if I wanted this chart and I had it in the presentation, I can download it. I can download that chart, add it to a document, and obviously share it with my colleagues, or share it with a pack, or share it with my customers if it was a customer report. So massive common improvements to the reporting inside Sugar. If we actually go into a report, you'll see if we go into a report, again, our views look different. It looks very modern. We've got a couple of options at the top. This is all drag and drop like our home page, so we can move it around just like our home page. We can also take it from a vertical split to maybe a horizontal split, so we can change the way we look at it. And on the right hand side here, we can see our filters. A couple of things what Sugar have done on the report side is if you've got the massive reports and obviously maybe your bandwidth or your internet was struggling, you can now schedule it and export it out to obviously to Excel or wherever it is. So you can take those big reports instead of them breaking your system or maybe slowing down your system. If you've got millions of records of data that you can have in Sugar because it has that scalability, you can just simply export it and actually send you a copy of both the charts and the actual data behind it. So there's no kind of issues with Sugar. It's just really clean and really simple to use. Okay, so reports had an upgrade. View UX had an upgrade. Let's go into a record itself. Let's go into a company or a record. So we're in obviously the normal list views. What's changed here? So calendar scheduler, we can obviously have calendars, but if we actually go into focus draw, you'll see that we can now have reports, dynamic reports based on the records we're looking at. Okay, so because I'm looking at Enable IT Technologies, enable.services, like I said, our company, you'll see that we can see the one business. We can see the open sales. These are simple reports that have been related to the record I'm looking at. So it really makes it user-friendly. It really does make it user-friendly. So if I'm in a record, I'm going down a list view, I can obviously go in there and understand what they're actually doing. So you see all my reports are changing because I've just moved to C region. Go back to Enable. My reports change because I'm looking at Enable. So it's really cool, these reports, and they can be done across any module. So any module you can self, if you're a charity and using donor management, if you're opportunities, sales, B2B, if you're a membership, you can have whatever reports you want, relate it to the record, and it's going to show up there. So it's really in your face of the actual data itself. It still works in the same way. So if I want to see what's behind that, I can obviously click on that and understand what that data is. And if I want to drag it, I can drag it. I can make it bigger. Okay. If I want to filter, I can filter because the data is always there. It's really simple. A couple of other things. Obviously, in this case, we've got the timeline issues. We've got enable.services chatbot down there, ChatGPT. Got a couple of other things here. Obviously, contacts, and we've got all our views, so we can see. We can now tab and take it into a tab view. So at the moment, I'm looking at Enable Technologies. I may want to go and look at a contact. You'll see now I've got 2 records open in tab view. So my contact view, I can see all the contact information, maybe all the timeline events, all the meetings, the activities, everything what's been held. I can still see the company. I can go back to the company and go, okay, I want to go and see a particular, maybe a case, maybe an issue. You can see it's now opening up another one. So I can go back to Joe Bushnell, understand Joe Bushnell, go into the case, understand the case. Even go to the opportunity, go into my custom modules, and it's nice and easy. When I obviously refresh that, it reverts back, and obviously I'm now starting again. So really powerful when it comes to just generalized view of Sugar. It's all scalable, all drag and drop. We can move it around to see what we want to see at whatever time we want to see it. A couple of little things. Doc merge is now down the bottom left down here. So doc merge is mail merge, to be perfectly honest here, Word. So you can take data from Sugar, out of Sugar, maybe quotes module with images in your quote catalogs, out from the quote catalog into a lovely PDF or Microsoft Word document or a PowerPoint. Maybe it's a presentation, RFPs, etc. You can put them in there. You can also take that out to Excel as well. So it's completely up to you how you do this. Okay, you have complete control of your Sugar system. Okay, so so lots of new capabilities and lots of new enhancements inside Sugar. From the navigation bar on the left-hand side to the global search to even the top modules and just focusing on the modules that you work on, your core modules, okay? So really, really powerful. It's a brilliant, brilliant update of what was actually seen inside Sugar. There is one new one. It's old one to some customers, new one to the enterprise users, and this is going to be the actual overview. So in the overview tab, we can obviously have our personal, what we're doing to that day, but what we can now do is have these kind of summaries. So we can use our filters and go, okay, I've got 18 accounts. What are those 18 accounts? I can then go into the focus drawer, understand who they are, and obviously view it just like I was before. But it just allows me to kind of separate my customers, my accounts, and have an easy way of getting around them and understanding what I'm doing, when I'm doing it, and who I'm doing it for. And that's again on the opportunities. Maybe we've got obviously opportunities from renewals next 30 days, or all of our opportunities, or my opportunities. Or you may want to split this up by probability or sales stage, and you can have these kind of hierarchy kind of summary reports at the top. So it's really quite cool on a visualization, because when you do that, obviously you can use the focus drawer to drill into the actual documents and the data and be able to see it all in that one kind of view. Okay. So massive improvements on Sugar, from reports to the filters to just the customizations of the views. It's absolutely a brilliant upgrade. Sugar have also updated the mobile app and also Sugar Connect for Outlook and Gmail as well. With the REST API with Sugar, it really enables you to integrate with whatever you want. So if you ever need any help, please get in touch with enable.services, and I'd love to be able to help you. My name is Joe Bushnell. Like I said, I work for enable.services in the UK. Please get in touch if I can help with anything on Sugar 13 or anything CRM related. Thank you so much for your time.